Jack Kapota, veteran opposition stalwart, laid to rest in Kadoma. The 1st of September 2025, by Wajira Munya, Kadoma Jack Kapota, a revered veteran of the opposition, was laid to rest in Kadoma on the 29th of August 2025. His burial drew hundreds of mourners, a testament to the deep respect he commanded in a region long known as a perilous political landscape for dissenters, where ZANU-PF terror groups have frequently unleashed violence against opposition members. Kapota passed away on Tuesday, the 26th of August 2025, at his home in Ward 5, Kadoma Central. Despite the risks and intimidation that defined politics in Mashonaland West, Kapota remained steadfast in his support for Citizens President NELSONCHAMISA until his death. In his eulogy, Honorable Amos Chibia praised Kapota as a fearless advocate for change and a lifelong defender of Zimbabwe's freedom and prosperity. He recounted Kapota's political journey, highlighting his courage and contributions to the opposition movement. A founding member of the Movement for Democratic Change, MDC, under the late President Morgan Tsvangirai, Kapota played a pivotal role in mobilizing young people during the party's formative years. As youth organizing secretary for Kadoma District in 1999, he helped rally resistance against ZANU-PF violence during the turbulent elections of 2000. Even after leaving the MDC, which he believed had been compromised under Douglas Mwanzora with ZANU-PF's backing, Kapota's loyalty to the democratic struggle never faltered. When President Chamisa assumed leadership following Tsvangirai's death and later formed the Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, Kapota once again stood firmly by him. True to his principles, he left CCC after Chamisa's own departure, continuing to align himself with Chamisa's vision for a just Zimbabwe. Chibia urged the youth at the funeral to emulate Kapota's courage, warning them against apathy while the nation's resources were being plundered by the elite. ZANU-PF cannot erase the people's support for Advocate Chamisa, he declared, calling on mourners to carry forward Kapota's legacy. The funeral was attended by several dignitaries, including Honorable Gift Mambapiri, MP for Kadoma Central, who paid tribute to Kapota's lifelong service to the community and acknowledged his enduring impact. Jack Kapota's life and work stand as a reminder of the sacrifices made by countless Zimbabweans in pursuit of democracy. His unwavering commitment to justice and equality will continue to inspire future generations to carry forward the struggle.